In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal REST app in just 5 minutes. This quick guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you have all the knowledge to set up your app efficiently and effectively. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the PayPal homepage, open up your favorite web browser and go to PayPal's official website. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the login button. It's typically located at the upper right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on that. Now when you're in the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and your password. Make sure you type in your credentials correctly to avoid any login issues. Once that's done, hit the login button and you should be directed to your main account dashboard. From your dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the developer section. Look for a tab or a link that says developer. Clicking on this will transfer you to the portion of PayPal's site designed for developers, where all the magic happens in setting up your REST app. Once you are in the developer section, the next step is to find the Apps and Credentials tab. Click on it and this is where you'll set up your new app. Here, you'll see the option to choose between either a sandbox environment for testing or a live environment for production. For most new apps or testing purposes, select Sandbox. This will allow you to safely test without affecting live transactions. After you've selected your desired environment, click on Create App. At this point, you'll need to give your app a descriptive name to help you identify it later. It's beneficial to use a meaningful name that relates to the function or project for which you are creating the app. Next, decide on the app type, either merchant or platform. Choose the type that best fits your app's purpose. If you're developing an app that will be tied to specific merchant activities, pick merchant. For apps designed for broader use, platform might be the better choice. If you've decided on creating a Sandbox app, the following step is important. You'll need to select the Sandbox business account you plan to link it to. This ensures that your testing transactions simulate real-world scenarios accurately. Finally, once all the fields are set up to your liking, click on Create App. This action will generate your app and take you to the app details page. Here you will find two critical pieces of information, your client ID and secret. These credentials are essential as they will allow your app to interact with PayPal's REST APIs. And there you have it, you've successfully created a PayPal REST app, keep your client ID and secret secure, and you're ready to start integrating PayPal into your application. Thank you for watching and happy developing.